Hi, myself Ravindra Singh. I am pursuing MCA in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I am going to present a business model canvas for Tesla. What is Tesla? Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that people did not need to compromise to drive electric vehicles. That electric vehicles can be better. Tesla Motors is an American manufacturer of electric automobile solar panel and batteries for cars and home power storage. Tesla company name is Tesla and founders by Elon Musk, Martin Eberhard, J.B. Straubel, Mark Trepnick, Ian Wright. Annual revenue $24.5 billion and profit net income $775 billion. Market capacity $148 billion. Year of founded 2003. Company CEO name Elon Musk. The headquarters is located Palo Alto, California. Number of employees in 2019 till 48,016. Types of business public. Two types statement, mission statement and vision statement. Mission statement, Tesla mission statement was to accelerate the world transition to sustainable transport. However, in mid 2016, under Elon Musk's leadership, the company changed the corporate mission to accelerate the world transition to sustainable energy. Vision statement to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world transition to electric vehicles. The Tesla ecosystem, so website and retail, individual, commercial fleets, production, car batteries, charger points, and solar energy. Solar energy we can use of home and commercial. Value propositions canvas Tesla, so performance 0 to 100 km per hour, high technical feel, 7 touch screen, autonomous car, focus on design style, 8 years battery warranty, few options, products and service, model 5 60 to 85 kilowatt, model X, model 3, charging 45 to 19 km per hour, 5 plus 2 seats, charging network and compliments from friends. Buy before price drop, lack of charging stations. Design perform like a sport car, range of 250 to 400 kilometers, high-end battery tech, high safety rating, seating 4 to 7. Customer segment, high net worth individual, green buyers, commercial fleets buyers, sports are enthusiasts, Elon Musk fans. Customer relationship, customer service, customer intimacy, direct to customer, customer relationship management, personal assistance. Channels, retail store, website, conference and event, PR, media. Value propositions, long range recharge, flexibility, high performing, energy efficiency and cost of ownership, autonomous driving capacity, charge anywhere. Key activity, research and development, design, electric power technology, car manufacturing, charge and infrastructure. Key resource electric vehicle technology, battery production, employee skills, knowledge, engineering and design, Elon Musk brand. Key partners OEM alliance, governments, leasing companies, Panasonic, battery development, manufacturing and purchasing, insurance company, charge and point. Revenue strength, automatic sales, automatic leasing, energy generating and storage, cost structures, employees, distribution, cost of materials, R&D cost, general admin, sales. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity.